In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule on Homebase. Whether you're managing a small team or a larger workforce, understanding how to effectively use scheduling software can save you time and help your business run more smoothly. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process together. The journey starts with accessing the Schedule Builder. First, you'll need to log into your Homebase account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the Schedule tab. Clicking this tab will bring up the scheduling interface, which is the hub for all your scheduling activities. It's designed to be user-friendly, but let's delve deeper to understand how we can make the most of it. Once the scheduling interface is open, you will be presented with the default week view, beginning with today's date. This week's view is your command center, where you can effortlessly switch between days and weeks. If you need to check upcoming weeks or review previous schedules, simply use the arrows provided on the screen to navigate. This is particularly useful for planning ahead or making adjustments based on past schedules. Additionally, if you prefer to jump directly to a specific date, there's a convenient pencil icon available. Clicking on this icon allows you to manually select the exact dates you want, giving you the flexibility to tailor your view according to your needs. As you interact with these tools, you'll find the scheduling interface straightforward and helpful for organizing your team's work hours and shifts. Keep in mind that familiarizing yourself with these navigation options allows you to efficiently manage your time and resources, ensuring that everyone on your team knows their schedule well in advance. This proactive approach not only helps in maintaining a smooth workflow, but also reduces the chances of any last-minute scheduling conflicts or misunderstandings. And there you have it, an introduction to scheduling on Homebase. Remember, the more comfortable you become with navigating the schedule view and utilizing its features, the more seamless your scheduling process will be. Scheduling effectively is key to a well-organized team, and mastering this tool is a step in the right direction. So, go ahead and explore these features in your account. With practice, scheduling will become second nature, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your business. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.